Ford Bronco. Let's make it. First, open the wooden forms, then draw a grid. Use a pointy tool and follow the grid to draw the car with correct proportions. Make deeper the contour lines with a steel loop. Use a large trowel to remove the excess sand outside the outline. Shape the basic forms of the car. Smooth the surface with a flat tool. Try to make the front headlights as round as possible. Use a ruler to create straight edges. Do the final touches to the roof with a sharp palette knife. Draw the window outline with a small loop and a ruler and add a nice rounded corner. Shape an oval area for the logo. Cut slender lines with a sharp palette knife and trace the letter contours with a small metal loop. Deepen the background using a notched tool. Clean the letter outlines and the Ford logo is ready. Cut the wheel arches. Scoop out the center of the discs with a round loop. Make precise holes in the alloy wheel. Sketch the tire tread at equal intervals along the tire edge using a small pointed loop. Now the tire has a tread and good grip. Do the same for the front wheel arch and tire. Since this is our second wheel, it goes much faster. Final touches and the wheels are ready to drive. Now use very wet sand to add extra material. This off-road car needs more terrain. Let the sand dry a bit and then shape a few more rocks. A little touch of the magic brush and Bronco appears. Almost ready, just final touches. But this SUV looks too clean for off-road. Let's make it dirty. Add some mud. Ford Bronco is ready to take you on great adventures.